Check this out. You don't have to be by the river to have flood damage. All you gotta have is a creek that attaches to the river. Look, this is the VFW. It's underwater. At least the basement is. That's the playground. Check that out, people. Watch, I come over this way. Show you over here. If I walk over here, it's all underwater. Check that out. Check this out. That's supposed to where you can go down and, you know, have a little picnic. Now you can go swimming. That's unreal. Check that out. That's from a creek. It's pretty crazy. Just thought I'd share a part of people.